Okay. After thumbing through the book a little bit, I learned a few things. More hookups on for the machine for checking the dwell and the individual cylinders. So now I got the scope working. But I haven't figured out how to shorten this exactly yet, because you should be able to see the dwell when the point's closed, and then it comes around to here till the spark fires there. Then this is the actual power going to the spark plug until the point's closed again. Dwell meter's working now, and go at 20 amps of dwell. Tack, we're at 800 RPMs. It's not fully up to temperature yet, but it's getting close. Still trying to figure some of this out. Look, I don't know why that's scrolling, but you can select cylinders with these buttons here. There's nothing on the screen. I push cylinder 1, and now it's reading number 1 cylinder. Coil firing, spark plug firing. So I've learned a little bit. It's going to take a while. It's really pretty cool. Primary, secondary, special patterns, nothing there. Bring it back down to secondary. Function selector. You can move the height, adjust the height of the reading there, low, high, and then variable. Again, pattern, raster, superimpose. There should be multiple cylinders. Maybe all 6 cylinders firing together there, maybe. Anyway, I'm learning. This is really cool.